All right, so we're looking at K5. We're solving one-step linear equations by multiplication and division. So we've got 2k is less than 10. We're going to divide both sides by 2, and therefore we get k is less than 5. Our next one is 4q is less than 8. Divide both sides by 4, and we get q is less than 2. Our next one is n divided by 3 is less than 3. Well, in order to get rid of this denominator, we have to remember the opposite of division is to multiply. And if I want n alone, then I have to multiply by what's in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply this side of the inequality by 3, and I'm going to multiply the other side of the inequality by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that leaves me n. n is less than 9. All right, let's continue. So we have s divided by 5 is less than 2. So again, I'm going to multiply both sides of the inequality by 5 in order to get s alone. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so s therefore is 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So our answer would be s is less than 10. Alright, our next one would be 4h is greater than or equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, h is greater than or equal to 2. Our following problem would be y divided by 3 is greater than 2. I want to get rid of the 3 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. And I have 3 divided by 3 is 1. That leaves me y, because I could say 3y divided by 3. And then we have 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. So y would be greater than 6. And then we have 2 is less than or equal to f divided by 4. Just because we put it on the other side doesn't mean we change the process. The process is the same. I want f alone, so I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides of the inequality sign. And I have 4 times 2 is 8, which is less than or equal to 4 multiplied by f is 4f divided by 4, leaves me 1f. So I can say 8 is less than or equal to f. Now, if you get confused by this, you could say f is greater than or equal to 8. As long as you keep the signs facing the same way, you should be fine. All right, we'll do a few more. We've got 4u is less than 12, divide by 4. And we have u is less than 3. And then we have 2h greater than 4. Divide both sides by 2. h therefore is greater than 2. Now we have a divided by 8 is less than 2. Multiply both sides by 8. And I have a is less than 16. I'm hoping we get to a negative here. Finally. So we have negative 1z is less than or equal to 3. Now keep in mind, when you have a negative and you're dividing by that negative, remember, you have to flip this sign. Flip it around. So I'm going to divide by negative 1 on both sides of the inequality. And that gives me positive z is greater than or equal to negative 3. And you can test it if you need to. So pick a number. Z is greater than negative 3. Well, I know negative 2 is greater than negative 3. So negative 1 times what did I say? Negative 2. If I take negative 1 and I multiply it by negative 2, that's positive 2, right? So if I were testing this to see if it were true, then that would be what my answer would be. I'm not testing this, though. I just wanted to show you something, which was probably not a good idea. Anyway, just remember to flip your signs around. So we have z is greater than or equal to negative 3. All right. I think that's good for now. If you have any questions at all, and remember this rule applies when you're multiplying or dividing, that you have to flip the signs around. See you on the next one. Goodbye.